When putting the zipper foot on the machine, place it directly under the set screw. Lift it up and adjust the foot to tighten it. Notice it has 2 deep grooves at the bottom of the foot that will align with the teeth of the zipper. The zipper will be placed right side to right side on the fabric. Make sure to line up the raw edge of the zipper with the raw edge of the fabric. Then, align the teeth of the zipper into the foot. Now the other side. Once again, line up the raw edge of the zipper with the raw edge of the fabric, aligning it in the groove of the foot. Once the second side is finished, turn the fabric over to begin zippering the fabric. Then turn it back over to complete the concealed zipper and see the finished product.